Hello everyone, this is Dr. Keen, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview video here on my Canvas course and how to use it and how to navigate your way through this. We'll go through some things in class as well, but this gives you a good video to take you through and give you a little tutorial. Most of you have used Canvas before, but if you have not, this will give you a good idea on how to use it as well. I'm in the student view right now. So this is what you will see when you go onto my page. Over on the side here, you'll see all the different tabs that you can use, and the main one that you should focus on is the modules one. This is our home page here, and it's got information about me and when my conference time is, all that. But over here, you're going to mostly use the modules for most of the time. We'll have quizzes in here and assignments and things like that too, but you can get to most everything through the modules. So here's modules and Zoom links. So we will have Zoom tutorials, and these are the links for those on Mondays and Wednesdays. And then also, if you're a virtual student and you're going to be coming to the class virtually on Mondays and Wednesdays, then you will have your links here. So this is second period for Monday, and this is fifth period for Monday, second period for Wednesday, fifth period for Wednesday. You have your links right in there. You just click on it and it'll take you straight to the meeting. If you go back to the modules now, you'll have access to everything here, the syllabus in there, and all assignments and everything will be in here. You also have access to most of the textbook information that we'll use in here as well. So hopefully this helps you a little bit to kind of give you an idea of how to navigate. The calendars over here. You can see what's going on there all the time too. If you ever need to communicate with me, send me a message. You can do it right here through the inbox. And if I send you something to the entire class, I'll send it through an announcement, and those will show up right up on top here. So make sure you pay attention to those, because that will usually be important information for you to know. Alright, so I hope this helps you learn a little bit, and we'll go through it some more in class as well.